insert a rectangle, but before then make the layout blank. Then insert the rectangle, duplicate it, let it move closer to each other this way, duplicate it and duplicate it. Then select all the rectangle. By pressing Ctrl G, you are grouping them. Arrange them in the slide, so just like this. Arrange them, ungroup, and format each shape. Format each shape. Click each shape and format it. Just right click and go to shape format. Go to fill and go to gradient. I'll be using default gradients here. I'll be using default gradients here. I'm using default gradients here. Okay, having done this, you can also give it a shadow. Let's say give it like the size to 101, the angle to 150, 150. You can leave the remaining setting that way. Same here. This 101 and 150 degree. Okay, having done that, then come in with your text. Bring in your text. Say I'll be calling this steps to thesis. So before then, I want to format my background. I'll be going with the gradients color. I'll be going with this. Okay, I think let me just change the radar. The type, let me change it to radar. Let the direction just be something like this. Okay, I think I'm cool. Then I go with my text in each boxes. Text in each boxes. Okay, let's see. This is introduction. Let's format it because we are going to be copying it. Introduction. So black, bold. So area black. I'm going to paint it white. I'm going to set it this way. Put it down a bit like this because we are coming in with our icons. So say this is introduction and Ctrl D, then this gives us going with the body of each like this. So I'll be using my Lorem Ipsum. I'll be using my Lorem Ipsum. I'm using my Lorem Ipsum. Insert my icons. Insert my icons. Let's say this is for the discussion. This. I have the books. Okay, let me just do books. Edit this. Edit this. And I change the graphics field to white. So change it to white. Okay. I distribute it accordingly. This. Okay, then I need to change all this to change it to white color. Change to white colors. Okay, having done that, then I come here, make it 5 duplicates of it. Say Control D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the last one, which is the sixth one, then I remove all other components except the headlines. All other components except the headlines, like this. Remove them. Then I select all the headings. Select all the headings, and I rotate to angle 90 degree. 90, like this. I increase the font size. Okay, adjust it very well, just like this. All right. Then I go to the second slide. I remove this, just like I'm doing the last three. Then I come here and copy this, go there and replace it to the second one. I remove the last two and the first one. Then I come here, I copy this and this, come here and do paste it. I do the same way. I remove the first two and the last. Go to the sixth one. Remember, it is the first two and the last. Copy it, go here, paste it. Then for the last one, I remove the first three and I come here, copy the first three, go there, paste it. Voila. Then I go to the second slide, select the rectangle, go to arrange, go to rotate and flip horizontally. I'll do the same for the remaining slides. Flip horizontally. Flip horizontally. Then the last one, you don't have need for it again, just take it out. Then we select all and give it transition, which is morph transition. Then go to this and click. Let us see, isn't this beautiful? This is nice, this is wonderful, this is beautiful. All right, just try it out on your own, and also do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also click on the notification button so that whenever we drop a stunning PowerPoint slide like this, you'll be the first to be notified and also view our content. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.